Jamaican people believe in an alien, brother. I believe. No, alien them flings to a licky bass in the head. Villa, what's up? What's up, man? You believe in an alien? Yeah, so me I start it. Do you believe in alien? Well, I am fascinated with the whole existence of aliens. You know, if are they there? You know, I am. And today I binge watched the whole Skinwalker Ranch. Yeah, I'm watching all of them, bro. If you have Disney Plus, you can watch it. The Secret of Skinwalker Ranch. I say, I binge watch it. Some quite interesting things. And someone always think about, you know, like, does the average Jamaican even think about that? Yeah, we know the most of we believe in a Duppy and all them things, but on the alien. Jamaican people believe in an alien, brother. Hey, you know, you get serious when time I move the laptop in front of the TV, you know. Yeah, man, I'm bing watching. I say, man, bingy watching, man. I got binge out this blouse and ski. But make sure someone get on the vlog though, you see me? I edit it up, you know, and left that for render and just go and watch some Secrets of Skinwalker Ranch. I am fascinated by this type of thing, brother. I want to know, do aliens exist? I believe they exist. I believe. I'm so explain why. The big clatty general again to blow up. Then say, yo, then dig up on the ranch one time already. And the boss get this big old lump in her head, you know? And the boss say, you know what, dig around on the ranch ever again. Now they out there do some investigation and look. And I dig them a dig. All of a sudden the boss get weak. Don't be clat him again. I said Duppy, but you know, I alien them, brother. Alien them clat him again. I my I my weak link, you know what I mean? They don't rate him, man. You do something to them. They never pick on him, so. Watch out.
So out there, it was right here.
Alien them flings to a lick. Help, father. Eh? No, alien them flings to a licky bass in the head. But there's a the edit here me on the video cover. That's funny, brother. Alien them a try ramp with man, you know. Every time I look up over my glass, I see like somebody at peep through my door. Tell them me not playing, brother. Me not play with you, yeah? If me not ramping. The vlogger get rendered there now. And till I watch your antics over here. God is good. Let me just say that, you know what I mean? Sometimes I feel like say God nah hear, yeah. I say, but in my ear, man, in my listen, man. Just go and put in the prayer and believe, you know? Just yesterday, me a ball and a talk and make nice for how things state away, you see me? And then one day later, you get some good news, dog. Man, God is good, man. You know, they're fire, you know? Just go and pray. And this is our lunch. You know, egg with plantain, ketchup, hot sauce, stale bread. Stale bread. And cheese. Even though I should probably stay away from the cheese, because you see, all this cheese activity we may do for the past couple of days, it's doing that. But I got to. I'm sorry, mama. I don't know why I just said that. Alien them all a clatty alpaca them now. The alien them want some alpaca meat. No chicken, no beef, no pork, no goat. Alpaca meat alien them and them. That's rich. Another one. Oh, it did that thing with the hand. I didn't know that it was going. It recognized that I put my hand up for it to begin. Anyways, just make a video a while ago, upload it to TikTok. So I'm on TikTok now. If you want to follow me on there, you can. I was not really quite enthused about posting or joining. Hey, come on, bro. Just let people see what's up, man. Damn, bro. Yeah, man, that's my name to join TikTok. But you know, as a social media influencer, you do them thing there. Just have the platform. What I should I do from long time is join it so that I could have my original name. But now somebody gone with the name there and I have to name myself at Real K2K Crosses. So if you want to, you can follow me on TikTok. When I'm not doing a live, I probably post some content over there or, you know, drop things from IG over there or maybe post exclusive things there. Yeah, so at real K2K on TikTok. Why me never want to join? Because you know it's just too many social media platforms, man. God damn it just I get too much. Like this one here, that one here, and then everybody have the same features now. So if you have one, you basically have all of them. But I'm there nonetheless because you know my Facebook page did get hacked. So I might as well if me lose one, me jump back on the next one. But Facebook page get hacked from long time, maybe like 2020. So I'm on TikTok now. That's the message. I'm on there. Real K2K. Alright people, this is dinner. We still watching Alien Show. Yeah, still watching Alien Show. Well, it's not a show, it's a series. Skinwalker Ranch, Sydney. Basically, same thing for yesterday as I said, make it for last for a week. So I have 2 more pieces of chicken. Me honestly think say I allow 1 more piece me have left, 1 more piece of fried, but me have another piece of fried and another piece of bake. So I'm just alternating them. So tomorrow is bake and then it's fried and then it's done. I run out of vegetables, so I end up doing make some more of the beautiful coleslaw. Not even know if enough mayonnaise to go in there, but I'm hoping that it tastes great. I usually not eat coleslaw until the next day, isn't me? I make it a day before so I get the kind of, you know, soak up the juice them and all them things and get nice. But this is our dinner. Hey, look at these. Hey! But I tell them some I believe in an alien and me explain later on. But I try to do it fast because I want to eat my food in a piece. Some people say they don't believe alien exists. I believe. Why do I believe? Because simple and plain, brother. God full of style, my youth. Look for something as simple as grass. You know how much different type of grass exists? And then when you go to flowers, then you go to trees, and then you go to animals. You have animals where are the same species, but they look different. And then we come to the biggest of the biggest, and that's supposed to be humans. And then you see, so we have different kind of, you know, races of humans. So you feel like God only make humans. Stop this. Brother, man full of style, bad boy. Man full of style. The only problem is when I see them yet to confirm it, but them dead. I not even want to say race of humans, but aliens exist. In my belief. Based on everything what they on Earth, it just wouldn't make no sense for aliens to exist. Just look on the variety where exists on Earth alone. Things we can go on the water, things we can do on land, things we can do boat. Come on, bro. God full of style, my you. A man full of style are the woman. Pepper going wrong. Excuse me. A man full of style. And a pepper, a piece of ginger. Long and short, right? We believe that aliens exist based on the variety that is just here on Earth. God damn it. So much flavor coming from this chicken, man. I think this is where we're going to conclude the vlog. And we'll see you in our next vlog when we make some more alien talk, you see me? Because the conversation is not done, you know. You're not done, you know, brother. Enjoy my little food. Big up on yourself. Thank you for tuning in. Thump up on the chest, thump up on the thorax. We'll see you in our next one. Lovely.